Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here in the scenic Ocala National Forest. It's a beautiful day to be out here exploring, and we're gonna go take a journey off the beaten path here into the woods and discover some interesting history. Hiking deeper into the wilderness, following this old path here through the woods. Such a scenic place to explore, many areas to roam around out here. Found another path out here, and I'm gonna follow this as far as I can down towards a creek area. Made it to this area, and there is a canoe here. Very interesting, and I could use this to cross the creek just up ahead. Let's go take a look. Used to be an old bridge out here one time, probably a logging bridge. And the tram continues on that way. Okay, I got in the canoe. I crossed this part of the creek onto this area. So on this side, it looks like there's still another creek crossing. So I'll have to get back in the canoe and trying to find another way over to that area. What's interesting though, you can see some, looks like remnants from the bridge that was here. Okay, I made it to this part of the forest. You can see an old logging tram right here. And this was used long ago. Today nature is reclaiming this area. So I think we'll continue on down that way. Some beautiful swamps out here. Seeing a lot of these as I'm roaming around this wilderness. Getting deeper back into the wilderness here. And this is such a wild place. I have to really watch my footing. The ground is so muddy. It can just suck you right in as you're walking through it. This is an ancient place. Throughout this wilderness, there's some old Indian mounds, and I may be close to one now. Not really sure. I'm going to look through here. Back here in the woods, I found an old Indian mound. There's a shell midden back here. It's very overgrown. Let's take a look around. See part of it right there. Here's more of the mound. And this seems to be very large. It just keeps going into the woods. Seeing a lot of shells scattered around the area. See more of the mound here. It's so amazing to be in this area. This is a wild and ancient place. Seen a lot of petrified shells. This is interesting. Here are some pottery fragments, a couple pieces of limestone. Those could have been used as tools or something like that. There's a bone fragment. It's a view of some of the swamps near the mound.